this video, you will learn how to leverage LinkedIn for job search and for career growth. Whether you're looking to land your first job, switch industries, or take a leap into leadership, LinkedIn is your most powerful tool for career growth. With over 900 million users across 200 countries and more than 77% of recruiters using LinkedIn as their primary source to find talent, this platform isn't optional, it's essential. But just being on LinkedIn isn't enough. You need to show up strategically. The first thing you need to do is to make your profile stand out to hiring managers. Studies show that recruiters spend an average of 7.4 seconds scanning your profile before deciding to click or to move on. So how do you stand out in less than 8 seconds? You need to make your profile stand out to recruiters and hiring managers. For that, the first step you need to take is to craft a magnetic headline. So what is a magnetic headline? Most professionals list their current role in the headline, but this does not show your value or expertise. Here's an example of a weak headline: project manager in ABC company. And here's the strong headline: agile project manager delivering scalable solutions, $10 million plus projects, PMI certified. So this version immediately highlights results, scope, and certifications. Think of your headline as your 5-second elevator pitch. Use keywords and clarity. Step number 2 is to tell your story in the About section. Your About section should answer: who are you professionally? What have you accomplished? Why does your work matter? And what do you want to do next? So here's an example of a good summary. I'm a data-driven digital marketer who has helped SaaS companies grow MRR by 45% through optimized PPC and funnel strategies. With 6+ years of experience in performance marketing, I thrive at the intersection of analytics, creativity, and growth. Open to consulting and full-time opportunities in growth stage startups. So this explains everything that a recruiter or a hiring manager would need to know about you. It's also always good to add a call to action like let's connect, so open to new roles or looking for growth marketing roles in B2B SaaS. The next step is to optimize your keywords. Recruiters use Boolean searches to find candidates. So make sure that you include relevant keywords in your headline, in your About section, in your job experiences, and also in your skills. The next step, use the STAR method in experience section. Instead of listing duties, highlight your achievements using the STAR framework. What does STAR stand for? STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result. For example, spearheaded a content strategy that boosted blog traffic by 140% in 6 months, resulting in a 22% increase in qualified leads. So data-backed profiles get 3 times more recruiter responses. It's always good to use data in your experience section as well and give figures wherever possible. So it's always good to use data in your experience section. The next step, or step number 5, add visuals and activate open to work. Profiles with professional headshot get 21 times more views. Profiles with media like videos, case studies, PDFs get 5 times more engagement. So also enable open to work but customize visibility to recruiters only if you are job hunting discreetly. Once you have created a profile which stands out, the next thing to do is to network your way into hidden opportunities. Here's the secret. 80% of jobs are never posted online. They are filled through networking and referrals. So how should you network? The first step is to connect intentionally. Don't just connect with coworkers or classmates or just anybody on LinkedIn. Build a network of recruiters, hiring managers, thought leaders, company insiders, or some of your alumni in target roles. And then you should connect with them by sending a message. For example, you can send a message like, hi, you write the name, and I came across your profile while researching careers in whatever industry you are in. I admire your journey at this company and would love to connect. So customize every connection request. It increases acceptance rate by 71%. The next step while networking is to stay visible with consistent engagement. Algorithms reward interaction. To stay top of mind, comment thoughtfully on posts in your industry. Share insights, even simple summaries of articles. And congratulate people on promotions or the new roles. Keep engaging. So, for example, you can comment on a recruiter's post like, thanks for sharing this opening. It's great to see companies investing in so and so skills or roles. I'll be applying and sharing with others. So, even if you see a recruiter advertising for a job, you can comment on that and you can also share with others. Step number 3 while networking is to book informational interviews. These are short chats that open doors without asking for a job. For example, you could message a recruiter and say, hi, so and so, I'm exploring roles in this field and I noticed your work at so and so company. Would you be open to a 15-minute call to share some career advice? So, according to Harvard Business Review, 1 in 12 informational interviews leads to a job opportunity. So, once you have your profile in place and you have learned how to network with others, you need to also start using LinkedIn's job tools like a pro. LinkedIn is more than a profile, it is actually a job hunting engine. So, how do you job hunt on LinkedIn? Step number 1 is to use advanced job filters. Refine your job search by location, whether you are remote, hybrid, specific, or cities, whatever location you want, the industry, the job function, and the experience level. Set job alerts so that you are the first to apply. LinkedIn says that candidates who apply within the first 10 minutes are 4 times more likely to get noticed. Next, you need to leverage easy apply with customized resumes. Don't just click and send. Always upload a resume which is tailored to that specific job description. Tools like ChatGPT can help you. You can use prompts with ChatGPT to rewrite your resumes for specific job postings based on specific roles. So I have given the ChatGPT prompt below. So another thing you should be doing is to follow target companies and comment on their posts. Engaging with the company's content boosts visibility. Many recruiters check for applicants who engage with the brand before hiring. So, for example, you could comment on something like, exciting to see your team expanding in so and so region. I followed your company and for a while and I will definitely apply, or something like that. So, another thing which can help you in job hunting is to request referrals tactfully. Referred candidates are 4 times more likely to be hired. If you have a first degree connection in a company, reach out and ask them to give you a referral. For example, you can say, hi, I noticed your company is hiring for a so and so role. I'm really excited about this position and wondered if you'd be open to referring me. I'd be happy to send my resume and some key points on why I'm a fit. So sometimes people don't mind giving referrals because they also get some bonuses for that. Companies give bonuses to their own employees for referring the right candidates. LinkedIn plus AI is equal to a career advantage. You don't need to be a tech wizard or influencer to grow your career on LinkedIn. You just need clarity, consistency, and a little help from AI. Start by using simple ChatGPT prompts to polish your profile, to craft messages, to rewrite resumes, or build a job search strategy. So all the prompts are given below. So you can use these prompts to make your job search more effective and land the right job. So start today, polish that profile, reach out to one new person, post one insight, because the job you want, the career you deserve, might be just one message away. Bye for now. See you in the next video.